which short-term strategy is the most promising for improving the security of supply of critical raw material? Sustainable extraction, for example, advanced recycling, or demand reduction through circular economy?
Okay, this is a very difficult question, I have to say, since the main message is that we have to do all these things at the same time. We have to try to open new mines in Europe so that we have a share of the mines materials ourselves. And of course, we also have to diversify the supply of minerals from outside Europe. We have to recycle more, definitely, and there are a lot of opportunities in there, certainly for the critical raw materials within batteries, for example. And of course, we also should look at demand reduction. So we have to do that all at the same time. But yeah, I would like to add to that more attention is really needed for these demand reduction strategies. I don't see a lot of initiatives in that direction, and studies show us that there is a lot of opportunity there to reduce the demand, of course, and so to also to secure better than the supply, right? If we don't have that high demand anymore. Mm-hmm. So demand reduction, that's then about lifetime extension of products, which we can do by more repair, and there is a Repair Act now. Mm-hmm. I know that the Belgian federal government also has an decree on repair. That's a very good step, but it's a first step. We also have to look to new business models where we share more goods, car sharing, for example, co-housing, sharing of tools, things like that, and the business models behind that. And it starts actually with promoting that, with how we look at that, and how the policymakers also give it the attention that it deserves.
What are the main technological, economic, or logistical challenges that we must overcome to make the recycling of critical raw material more efficient and more scalable?
Yeah, for me it starts actually with information and information sharing. So we need a better system to share the information of products within the value chain, and certainly also towards the recyclers. There are initiatives ongoing, and there are digital product passports that will be developed. It's ongoing for batteries, for example. And we really need that. What I've seen in the past is that recyclers often do not know very well what compositions are of products that they have to recycle, how they can dismantle it, and things like that. So that's really a backbone for me that we have to develop. And that's to enhance actually, or to strengthen the whole value chain. Since circular economy is about collaboration within the value chain. For that we need also more free flow of materials and waste in this value chain. So that's a major topic of the Circular Economy Act in 2026, that that we have to establish a free market for wastes to recycle, also for recycled and circular products. But then we also have to look to the start of the chain, that is in the design of our products. There we have to make products that are better recyclable, better dismantleable, and it will be more easy to recycle with higher efficiencies if we do so. So let's use this eco-design strategy we have. Let's also use the extended producer responsibility to strengthen this value chain and to have, at the end, more efficient and better recycling.